Hello my friends, excited to bring a new brand to you today. I've got something from Martin Dingman. So this is a family-owned business, really excellent people to work with. They use really just high-quality leathers and materials in all their shoes. This is one that I will not need to polish up, so nothing needs to be done. So this is the Old Row Bit Loafer, and it's in an oiled saddle leather, so not meant to be shined and polished. And just look at that. Absolutely beautiful shoe. This is something different for me. You know, I usually am wearing, Oxfords and monk straps, and so this is just a really unique style and something that I am excited to add to the collection. It's again oiled leather, hand sewn, just really high quality, and I don't have to do anything to it. So just put it on and wear it, and yeah, very excited. You'll see these on very soon. Look forward to getting some photos for you.